yeah, we weren't up to this part.
Huh?
Floor.
Oh my god, I'm scared now.
Kneel down. Look under the table.
It's
There it
too
is.
far.
Go grab it. Crawl to it.
Got it. Oh, I want to get scared. Wait, I don't want to touch him. Did I go in here?
I don't know.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, this is scary. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go in there. Oh my god, this is so scary. I don't want to go in there. Do you want to do it?
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? It took my flashlight! Oh fuck, this is some demonic shit. My hands are moving. What was that?
Hey! Over here! You gotta hide. She's coming.
Where? Oh god, Gregory! I don't know where I'm going!
I don't know. Follow her.
Ah! Oh my god, Greg!
Embrace the dark.
Oh, I see a key.
Alright, I guess that
Oh, he's gonna come at me. Okay.
It's happening again. Please, you have to stop.
Oh my god, the ghost! What do I do? Am I supposed to go somewhere? Ah! Ah! It ate me! Oh my god, it's dark! Here?